get to 5,000 or 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, and we're only at 84. Can you please subscribe to make us stay up?
Please have it.
Ooh.
I kind of like doing this of it because it feels nice.
Like the light shines on it sometimes. It's kind of fun.
Yeah, it's light. Oh, that's so wonderful.
Would you pay $18 for this?
Of my own money?
Of your own money?
No.
Would you pay $18 of your own money for this?
I wouldn't even pay $5. No.
Bo, would you pay $18 for this?
Yeah.
You would? Of your own money?
Yeah.
Instead of sports cards?
Yep. And I'll get sports cards. Peace out.